Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Restart Insider. Today we're gonna talk about how to make 3,920 in one day profit day trading. If this is your first time to Restart Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make money in life. So if you want to make more money, you can subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out any of our videos. Get free stars on the both in the description and comment below at the end of the video. Today we're gonna talk about stock market, what's going on in the stock market. How about hot cryptocurrency market? That's also we're gonna talk about, and also I'm gonna tell you one stock that made 3,920 profits in one day. So this stock has a potential to run more tomorrow, so you might want to watch out more videos. So today's stock market may fall. Most of the stock market were down except for Dow Jones and Russell. So usually one stock market is down, everything is also down. So when you start to see some of the stock market is green and some of them are red, so that's called disconnect stock market. So if we see more of the disconnect stock market over time, so that's one of the indications that the stock market crash or correction could be coming soon. So let's see how it's gonna play out this time. Crude oil is climbing up, and it used to be $65 a few days ago. Now it's $66, and you can look at it. It was about to be red in the morning, but it jumped. After afternoon, and gold and silver they are down. Great. I'm been waiting for gold and silver to come down. I might probably buy gold when it hits maybe 1500. Silver probably 2320. So that's what I'm looking for. And USD appreciate against Euro and British pound and Japanese yen. So that's really interesting. Euro used to be 1.25 and against USD, and British pound used to be 1.57 something. So US dollar has been showing quite appreciation against all these major currency. And 10-year bond is down basically today, 0.93%. And US Bitcoin, surprisingly, is down for up to 54,000. It's been fluctuated between 49,000 and 60,000. And so it will be interesting to see the direction it's going to be. So I would say if it's down, lower than 40,000, then we will probably going to officially Bitcoin bear market. So yeah, but if it hits over 70,000, I believe it's gonna go to the next target, 100,000. So crypto, other crypto alternate coins, they are up. So in the morning it was up. Then in the afternoon, probably it went down. But it closed up. So you could see this stock market has been quite volatile. Today the market. And London Stock Exchange was up in the morning, then was down in the afternoon. Nikkei was down as well. So Ethereum, look at the Ethereum. It's 3,400. Not much change, but it has run quite a lot. And I talk about the price target for Ethereum in my stock membership club. So if you are interested, you can join in the description comment below. And Dogecoin is 56 cents now. 56 cents up 33.39%. So that's pretty crazy. Market cap is about 72 billion. So this probably has more room to go. Ethereum is like second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. So overall, the technology stock was down today, and the only stocks that were up is the banks, and healthcare, some of the companies, industrial companies, and maybe some basic materials. So overall, the market is red. So ExxonMobil and Chevron, they were up. So look at the Apple, 3.54%. That's pretty crazy. Google down, Amazon down, Tesla down. After they blew all their estimates, estimate and expectation. So these stocks are not doing well. So I think it's gonna turn, probably in fall or in winter. So that will be pretty interesting to see how it's gonna play out. And the top five most traded stock today was COCP. And COCP, the stock became quite a hit because uh, their trading. They are going to have another vaccine for the COVID. So that's why this stock was most actively traded. But BAIS, they were also up. PRPO, the stock that we traded like yesterday, if you remember, this one also was up. So I told you before this stock could go up for the next day. Yeah, it did. It did. At Sendai, if you look at Sendai, this is the number 4 most traded stock. So that will be quite interesting. If we win the lottery every time it is in the top 5, so I think we will be super rich right now. So that's really crazy. A lot of retail investors are trading these stocks, and UYXY. If you look at the UYXY, it's up. So this is a inverse from S&P 500. If the stock market are down, this one is up. So this could be one of the trading tools for you. You can remember this name. The next time when the stock market is down, you might want to trade this. So today, unfortunately, no big cap or blue chip stock are in the top 5. So if you missed this my stock alert yesterday, don't worry. I have this stock basically 4 times. 4 times after I sent out alert on May 3rd, at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So today it jumped to 844 from 218 to 844. It's more than 4 times. So more than 300% return in just one day. So I sent out the alert after I saw that the stocks could go down. So I sent out alert at 8, so everybody was able to take profits before that. So congratulations if you make profits, but if you miss it, don't worry about it. So this morning I sent out another alert for this stock COCP. 10:50 a.m. Eastern time. I saw that today may be the best chance to trade this. And I also sent out an alert on 12:48 p.m. Eastern time. If it breaks below $3, it may be better to sell. Yeah, it did. It did break under $3. It closed at $2.14. But some of the members were able to take advantage of 340 price point. So I sent out a lot around this time. So we had plenty of time for the stock to go up. So this stock possibly could go up tomorrow as well, because if you look at it, the market close is just recovered a bit. So today the highest price was 3.46 for this stock. So congratulations if you make profits. So this is from one of my another channel, another Patreon member. So he made a profit and for 3,920. He sold it at 340. So if you want to join this Patreon channel stock membership, you can join. Click the link down below. Congratulations if you make profits. So if you had invested only 1,000, if you bought 1,000 shares of Amazon in 1997, 24 years ago, you will be sitting over 3.4 million. That you will just be retired. So you if you bought it at the age of 20, then at the age of 44, you are just millionaire. Just retire. You don't need to worry about anything. It's just basically investment of $1,730. How could that change their life? So start early. The sooner you start, the better chance that you're gonna become a millionaire and stop. You don't need to have a few $100,000 to get rich and start, but you can start with $10 a day, a few hundreds or 1,000. That's how I got started. Once you start making profits, you can buy your first home or second home or third home. Then once you get rich, you can put more money back in stock market to get rich again. So that's the success formula. So for the stock market. So if you are interested, want to know what I'm buying, what I'm saying, what I'm looking at, all my thoughts, all my posts, special posts, you can join Gold Patreon, Trading Patreon. What's the difference? Gold Patreon is for people who that don't have time to look at stock market all the time, but they want to invest, and after 1 or 2 years, I usually give it 3 to 5 years. So this is for long-term stock. So the stock that I believe that could be double or triple the money within 3 or 5 years. So, but if you are somebody who wants to make 3,920 within one day, day trading, swing trading, this is for you. But if you want to know everything, you can join Palladium. So that's gonna save you $16 a month. That also includes dividend stocks alert as well, dividend stock at Gold, and growth stock alert, and also super growth stock that I believe that's could 10 times within 5 to 10 years. 10 times, and within 5 to 10 years. And I also send out a bonus crypto alert, so you can get this membership before it's over. So the link is gonna be down below. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.